Oh, that's a brown. That's a brown. And I think the water clarity is getting better.
Want to go left or want to go right or what?
Let's go see.
A little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Up there with that.
Guys, check out where we are today. Right behind me, I have a very nice trout stream. The only downside is we've had rain over the past few days, so the water is a little bit muddy. I'm here with my friend Nathan. Gonna do some fly fishing today. The special thing about this creek is that it holds 3 species of trout: brook trout, brown trout, and rainbow trout. I've only caught brook trout before, so today I have a chance to get on some new species. Enough talking. I know you guys want to see the fish, so let's hop into it. Hope you guys can hear me well. I know the sound of the water is pretty overpowering. Basically, we're just doing some dry fly fishing today, keeping it really simple, fishing these small little streams, find these little pockets, and hopefully they have fish inside. Oi, got one, got one. I got a fish. Yeah, throw it. Just caught my first rainbow trout. Very cool. Let's get released. Let's go. There we go. This is easy waiting. Oh, that's a really good pocket right there. Hungry little rainbow fella back there. That was so cool. So, if you can't tell, the conditions are not ideal for trout fishing. I really wasn't expecting to catch a fish today, but that was pretty early. That was like first 10 minutes of fishing, we already have a fish. So yeah, and that's also a new species for me. Man, this is why I love trout fishing. It's not easy. You have to wade through this kind of stuff and then throw super light gear. And sometimes your line gets tangled up. It's not very fun. One thing you gotta always prepare is your dry shake. After you get a fish on, you might wanna just pop this in and it comes out all ready to float again. Oh, I had one nibble, had another bite. Oh no, I had one. They're so small. It's so hard to get him. Basically, the water right here is like maybe 7 inches, this pool right here. So I've got to maybe 3 bites in total so far. That's pretty good. Careful. Well, this video was actually requested by many of you guys. You wanted to see some more trout videos, so here I am filming another one. Nathan and I drove out 4 hours from our house. We're near the Tennessee border, but we're still in Virginia somehow. And these trout streams are amazing. Nathan's gonna try and attempt a trout slam today, which is catching all 3 trout species that live in here. I'd be lucky if I can do that. I'm just trying to catch some new species. So far we have 1. It always amazes me how trout can distinguish a fly and some bubbles or some foam in the water. To me, they look the same, but somehow to these trout, they know how they're different. Check that out. That's a very smooth rock. Too bad we're not here for skipping stones. Oh no! I had one. Woo! This is where we're gonna be crossing because this is way too deep of a pool. If we were nymphing today, this would be perfect, but we don't really know how to nymph. We're leaving the creek for now. Right now, we gotta climb this somehow. Oh, wow. This incline is crazy. Whew. You guys probably can't see the perspective, but yeah. Look at Nate. Look at him go. Hey, right here.
Yeah, not this way.
May have found a little spot. Yeah, looking good. Rods. Oh, that's a snake. That's a snake right there. Well, let's try and leave it alone. Should be fine. All right, watch the snake. You almost stepped on it. You guys probably can't really imagine what we just did, but we scaled a very steep slope. We're gonna go ahead, hop off this trail and find another creek. And we made it. Made it to open ground. Oh, look at me. Pretty dirty. This makes our walk much easier back to our bikes. Basically, that's where we just were, and we somehow climbed up here. I was checking in with Nathan, and it turns out that rainbow trout I caught might have been a wild.
One?
Yeah, just one so far.
River's a little high and muddy.
Wild means it can reproduce naturally, and then native means it's been here before human interaction. So, you guys want a pretzel? Got a 30-minute bike ride to our next location. See you guys there. That water is looking so much nicer than what I was fishing earlier today. We are fishing in the section where they have some stock trout, but I think that's okay. I don't mind catching stock trout anyways. It's gonna be fun. I'm throwing a 3-weight now. Earlier I was throwing the 4-weight. Nathan's still getting set up, but yeah, just gonna mess around and hopefully catch something. Oh, there was one that came for it. They're aggressive and all, but they're just small. You got one. All right, bring it. Woo! That's a beautiful brown, I think.
No, it's no rainbow.
Oh, rainbow, okay. Oh, dude, nice. Very nice. Now we each have a fish. Oh, Nate, you good? That must have hurt, yeah. Oh, yes. You got another one. Oh, dang, you are killing it. Net?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, got him. Oh, dude, nice. Beautiful fish. Wait. Okay, yep. And there we go.
Let's go.
How you feel?
Feeling great. 3 fish on the board. Yep.
Bruh.
We gotta be quick with that.
Oh, there you go. Net. Where is he? Where's he at? Boom, that's a solid one, dude. There we go. You think that's your biggest rainbow?
We gotta get the measuring tape, but it's gonna be pretty close.
Wow, that's a really solid fish, man. All right, how long is he?
8.5. I don't know what my PB is.
8.5, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad for a stock stream. Got one. That's a good one. Yep, coming. Yeah, rainbow.
That's a better one.
This is rainbow territory. All right. That's our second fish. Let's go. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Fish is good.
Oh, that's a brown. No. That was a brown. Spot up here is looking good. Got one. Yeah. Please be a brown. No, it's a rainbow. All right, well, let's just get a quick release on him. Get our hands wet. There he is. Beautiful fish. See ya. Yeah? Got one. Oh, he got off.
Right around the rock.
You got one?
Yep.
You're too good.
Thank That's another rainbow.
Rainbow again. All right, which fish is this?
4.
Fourth fish. Nice. Nom nom nom. Got one, got one. Oh, owie, ow, ow. Just had one. There's just a bunch of rainbows in here. We haven't been seeing that many browns. Just one brown. Oh, and by the way, if you guys didn't know, we are fishing in Tennessee now. Got one. Oh no, it's a rainbow. Dang it. Well, it looks like I snagged him. Got him right in the belly. Yeah, that's my first trout in Tennessee.
Doesn't count.
Very cool.
Doesn't count.
Hush. Hush, hush, hush. See you, buddy. Check out this water we're wading in right now. It's pretty clear, and it's not that deep either. Oh, sorry.
No. Yin.
What happened? Did you snap off leader material?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Once I catch a fish, you can have this rod. He came off. Here, Nate. You take a run. That's fine. I'm back in commission. Looks like Nate has one. Well, this might be the last fish of the day, but it's another rainbow. There we go. Okay. Oh, quick release. Oh yeah. No, got off. He got off. There we go. Oh, get over here. No way. It's a brown. It's official, guys. We caught a brown.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Throw it. I believe I have caught a brown. Come here. That's a new species right there. Let's go. Nice. Oh. All right, Nathan. Well, everybody, gonna end this video right here. Dang, that was an interesting day.
All over the place.
Yeah, the first stream we went to was Garbaggio, but this one is awesome. We're in Tennessee right now, so.
No, it's
Yeah, we're still in Tennessee. But yeah, I caught 2 new species today, rainbow and a brown trout, and Nate caught a bunch of rainbows. Yep. So thank you guys for watching. We have a long trek home, 5 hours, and see you in the next video. And as always, fish for the adventure.